In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Teachable Machine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your Teachable Machine project as a file on your computer so you can back it up, share it, or move it between devices without losing your work. First, make sure you have your project open in Teachable Machine in your web browser. You should be on the main project page where you can see your classes, examples, and training options. With the project visible, look to the very top left corner of the page for the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that menu button to open the project options. From the list that appears, choose the option labeled Download Project as File. This is the command that packages your current project into a single file and sends it to your computer. When you select it, Teachable Machine creates a file with the TM extension. That TM file is your entire project in one place, your classes, settings, and structure, so you can store it safely or move it wherever you need. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you might be asked to choose a location. If you see a prompt, pick a folder you'll remember, like a dedicated projects or Teachable Machine folder. Consider giving the file a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize the version later. If the download appears at the bottom or top of your browser window, wait for it to finish before closing the tab. A quick note on what this process is and isn't. Teachable Machine itself is a web-based tool, so you're not downloading the app. You're downloading your specific project as a .tm file. This is ideal for versioning and collaboration, and it helps you avoid losing progress. If your connection is slow, give the download a moment, especially if your project includes a lot of examples, as the file size may be larger. If you don't immediately see the file, check your browser's downloads list or open your computer's downloads folder. You can move the file into your preferred project directory for better organization. For teams, you can share the .tm file, just like any document, so collaborators can work with the same setup. That's all there is to it. Open the menu in the top left, select Download Project as File, and let your browser save the .tm file. Simple, reliable, and a great habit for keeping your machine learning projects safe and portable.